Hey guys, last couple days it's just been windy out, cool, and real cloudy yesterday. We had rain off and on, which is good. I'm glad we got it. I don't know if this will show how the moon is sinking into the clouds. That's the first side of the moon that I got to see for the harvest moon. Tonight it'll be up, and I hope the skies will clear and I can see it, because I love the harvest moon. It's so beautiful. My little baby monarchs are still hanging on. They haven't hatched yet. They got a couple days, but look how beautiful the trees are. They're just so pretty this morning. Alright, that's all I got. I'll see you in a bit. Today, I'm going to put some water holes in the new pots that I got at my last yard sale. They're so pretty. I hate to do it, but I'm going to use them for pots. So they have to have holes in the bottom. And I got a matching one. And it needs a hole. I hope I'm successful. And then this one feels not so durable, and I hope I can do it okay. I hope I don't crack it. But we're gonna go for it. And then I also have one that's been in this container with no hole in it, and I really need to try to put a hole in it. I'm gonna try doing it without taking the plant out, but I don't know how easy that'll be, so we'll try it. If I have to take the plant out, I have to take the plant out. I don't know which house plants I'm gonna put in these yet, but I think this will be very pretty in this one. Hopefully I don't ruin it. Okay, what I have here? I have my masonry drill bits. It's got to be masonry, and I took the biggest one out. It is a 1/2 inch, and that should do it. I should only have to put one hole in them, and it should work fine, I hope. If not, I'll have to do more, but just one hole in each one. I put it in my little drill, and you need water. You have to have water to, I'm going to use this. It's been sitting out, and I'm going to use this because it needs some lubrication. You can't just do it on a dry surface. You gotta have some lubrication on it, otherwise they might crack. Here we go. Sometimes it takes a while. Keep putting water on it. Okay, it's going. It is going. This stuff is pretty thick. Let's see how deep it is yet. Yeah, it's got a nice groove in it. All right, here we go. Okay, my hand's getting a little tired. Hang on. Hang on. This thinner one. And hopefully I won't crack it. It seems like it's much older, but I really want to use it. 1 down, 2 to go. This one hopefully is easier and hopefully I don't crack it. That's good. Great. That looks great. Doesn't it? Okay. I didn't crack it. Good deal. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna make you watch this one. This one takes some time, and I'll get to it later. Let's see, what do I want to do with this? Maybe I could put it. Would it look pretty in there? Well, I'm gonna take it out, and I'll probably put it back in this one because I think it's pretty in there. I'm not sure what this is made out of. Not sure. Maybe I can see when I take it out. Oh, this has, oh, I put I put one of these in there so that it wouldn't be so wet, but I'm going to put this in here right now, for now. It's pretty damp. I have no idea what. This is made out of. I don't know. Do not microwave, for decor only. I don't know what this is made out of. Doesn't say. It almost looks like it's steel, or I don't know if I could put one in here or not, a hole in here or not. Maybe I'll just set this one to the side. I'll see what my husband thinks it is. And maybe I'll just put this. Ooh, it's got lots of roots on them. I can cut them roots down. You don't need that many roots. There. And I could cut this up, just put a little bit in one and another, because it's got roots on the side right here. It's already rooting on the sides of these. So maybe I could just clip it and make another one in another pot. Let me do that. These things are so easy to grow, so easy, and I can't remember the names of them, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going to put you in here like this. I sprayed it for bugs, so I don't have to worry about that. Alright. Let's see what am I going to do with you this away. You can cut them off at the seams and start another one real easily. Real easy. Oh, that one broke. Let's see what that went to. I'm going to cut this down. That's quite a bit. And this goes to where? Boy, it's kind of twisted around. I must have twisted it around a little bit. Yeah, I probably did. When it got long, I probably twisted around in the pot because it had room. But now I'm gonna make it smaller. I'm going to cut that off. It will grow new roots, believe me. And I'm going, whoops, okay. I'm going to put you in here. Make it a nice little cute one for the winter. Okay, there. And I'll put some water on it. It looks kind of cute. I'll spray it with water since it has a hole now. And then this one, and this one. Let's see what I want to do with them. Let's see, what do I want to put them in? Do I have enough pots now, or no? I really like this one in here. You know, maybe. It didn't do bad. It didn't get smelly or anything doing it that way. And I put a hole in this so that the water can drain from underneath the soil. So you know what? I'm going to stick to that. How about that? And I think it'll be just fine. And if I have to repot it next spring or next summer, then so be it. It'll be fine. This one was the one that sat on my coal stove. Take off some dead ends here. Put you down right in here. So pretty. I'm going to use some of this. I always reuse my soil, and I give them a little bit of fertilizer, and they're fine. As long as it's not got bugs or anything in it, I'm good. Boy, I'm making a mess. And I'm gonna I'm gonna go to the nursery and find me something real pretty to put in these other bowls, these pots. Right now I need to put these in something. Oh, here's another big one. And you can cut this off. And you could put that in some water and it'll grow more. It'll put on leaves and all kinds of stuff for you. So I'm going to do that. But I'll cut this off because it's too big. Right at the seam is the best place. Oh, I'll take it in and put it in some water. Maybe make a clean cut that's not dried out. It's not too bad of a day today. It's not warm, it's not cold, but I got a jacket on. It's windy. It's kind of windy. And cut them. They're little scissors. Some of these roots are just obnoxious. Okay, so I redid it. I know what I did. Oh, see, that snapped. So I'm just going to put it back in the soil. Maybe over here. And I'll give it a little water. There. Little water and she'll be just fine. Now I got my hands all dirty and my pots are all dirty. I used to have a towel in here. Well, let's go get a towel and I'll set this back up on the coal stove. Mind my house, you know it's always kind of chunky. Get this sauce nice. Okay, anyway, that's how you do it. Any questions, just hit me in the comments, and I'll see you in the next project. See you soon.